Hey guys, so it's tough times here, guys. It's tough times, but today we want to talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, guys, and if you're in the Cayman Islands, I know it's always a problem with payment gateways, so we will use PayPal. But I'm gonna put a link somewhere in my bio because I'm on TikTok, but on TikTok you can't yet go live, and on TikTok I can't put my link in bio. So I'm gonna try to put the link somewhere on the page. And you guys, because we're in a day of AI, we're in a day of all this technology, we're in a day of where a lot of people are losing their jobs because of technology, but we can use technology, guys, of how to promote businesses, how to, like, and again with AI, how to create videos and stuff much faster than we're doing. All right, so excuse my little tire here. I came to the beach and I wanted to get this video done before on the beach, just because there's a pretty scenery in the background here. So I wanted to go ahead and get this video. But it's gonna be affiliate marketing, guys. I've researched it for a long time, and so we bought a program. And again, it's like any business. When it's like travel agencies, when they promote a business, like again, a travel agent gets commission for sending business to another travel agent. All right, so just to let you guys know, again, I have something great coming online for people that want to work. There's no get rich quick scheme, it's no little make-believe. No, it's about, again, by a program. It's called DBA. All right, and again, I can't put the link in bio at my Instagram page yet because you have to have 1,000 followers. I have been studying the online space for years, and I've done got my YouTube channel, but I must say I find the TikTok platform algorithm is working much faster, and I just find it's a place where more affiliate marketers and stuff are doing business. So again, I like the platform of TikTok. Again, it's, let me just see how much space I got left on this video. Yeah, this video is for 10 minutes. So again, I'm going to try to send you guys a link, and not only, again, for those in the Cayman Islands, you can do it. You get paid to PayPal, and then we can show how you link your Wise, if you have a Wise money transfer card, to your PayPal account, so you can get your money out. So again, if you're in Cayman Islands, worldwide now, Americans and stuff don't have this problem because PayPal is just, at least for the US. So it's really affiliate marketing, and the one that also is MRR, master resale rights. So basically what it is buying a program and then having the ability. MRR is master resale, selling that whole thing back and get 100% commission, or affiliate marketing, buying that product and selling part of that back and getting 85% commission. All right, so just and again, a lot of people are out of jobs, but the online space, guys, and no get rich quick scheme, and yes, there's scams online. I like this program, again, called DBA, Digital Boss Academy. They have a SKOOL, meaning a program where you guys can ask for help. There's coaches. The one-on-one coaches, of course, is like, I think, $150 for like 2 hours or something like that. So if you want one-on-one coaching, of course that costs you more. But if you want to just be part of the community there, then of course you can be part of the community and just ask each other questions, and yeah, learn from the whole group, right, of how to. And again, I say again, if you do DBA or any program and you want one-on-one coaching, it's going to cost you a lot more because you're asking coaches to just spend time with you guys. Whereas if you get part of the community, and the whole community is on the SKOOL program, SKOOL, that's where other people who are doing the program are answering each other questions and doing stuff for each other and helping each other out. So you become part of a community, and they have meetups. So in the States, not in Cayman, but in the States. And so yeah, we could form a little community here. And yes, the biggest problem in Cayman was and if you want to set up a business account with TikTok, thankfully Cayman Islands is on there. Yes, if you want to register a business on TikTok, that's a different story. Then Cayman is not there. But if you want to go from a personal account to a business account, then Cayman Islands is there on the drop-down list. Yes, so just to let you guys know that, because there's always a bunch of hoops and problems with Caymanians trying to own businesses online. But that's a good one. I've researched it for years. There's a lot of affiliate marketing ones, but I like this. You can buy it from. I just started out with the cheapest course, the 111, and then there's one that. And what it is a program that teaches you a lot of stuff: how to use TikTok, how to use Instagram, how to use Canva. All right, you buy that course and then you resell it and get a commission. Then there's another part for 220, and it's more programs, more stuff. There's another one for 420, more training, more programs. I think one of the last one teaching you Airbnb, homeschooling. So these are just a bunch of like courses within a program, and you learn it, and you don't have to learn it, you can just resell it. But you can take your time, watch all the videos and all that stuff, and then resell it to somebody else, and you get like 85% commission as an affiliate marketer. All right, so I just want to tell you guys about that. I think it's great, and again, I can't put my link in bio here until you reach 1,000 people on TikTok. So I will post the link somewhere on my Instagram, somewhere on YouTube, and voila. All right, take care, bye.